Hi, I'm McKay Knoll from Nu Skin, and I want to introduce you to ageLOC Lumi IO. For the last 2 years, we've been developing ageLOC Lumi IO to be the best that it can, with new technologies, hundreds of tests, hundreds of prototypes to make sure that we have a design that's capable of delivering these amazing benefits and brings the IoT capability right into your home. IoT stands for Internet of Things, and this is the concept of multiple things, multiple devices around you being connected to a network, whether that's the internet or even your phone. With IoT connectivity now in Lumi IO, we have the ability to communicate from the device straight to the Nu Skin Vera app. This allows you to personalize and optimize your experience. We're excited for what the future holds. Throughout the design process, we engineers try to make sure that we address all the little details to not only make sure that the features are working as we had hoped and designed, but to make sure that you have the best personalized experience you can.
We took the opportunity to do a refresh of the industrial design. We kept the same basic shape, that same classic look to it. We made some upgrades and improvements in there.
The Lumi IO has undergone vigorous testing processes, ensuring that the features and their implementations on the device are to specification, are safe for commercial use, and are the best possible that we can provide you. These include radio frequency testing, electrostatic discharge, battery charging, heat, performance, and overall function of the device.
Some of the test procedures that I've helped to design for this product are drop testing, to make sure that the device can survive an impact, as well as water ingress testing.
We simulate the bathroom, we simulate the sink. We took careful consideration, especially around the head of the device, that as you used it in whatever environment you use it in, that's protected and it's able to last. We also intentionally designed the handle of the device to have a non-slip grip on the back to make sure that whatever environment you use it in, you're able to hold on to it tight.
It also integrates electromechanical controls and advanced new battery systems, as well as motor control and a lot of other features that we are really excited to provide you in this product.
What excites me the most about it is the connectivity, I think. We open a whole new world of possibilities.
We're gathering the data. What formula are you using with the device? How much are you using a treatment surface? How do you actually use the device? That all gets back into the app.
Making sure that things like the user interface and the treatments are customized to what you want.
We go above and beyond to make sure that our product is top-notch.
It's those little tiny 1% improvements that compound together to make a significant improvement. And that's really what's happened to us on the Lumi IO.
We have a product that I think is undoubtedly the best.
It's these little details that we try to think of far in advance of even the design to ensure that we give you the best experience possible. ageLOC Lumi IO gives you the power of personalization and the beauty of connectivity.